Welcome to my Ninja Professional 1000 watt blender review. If you're looking to upgrade your smoothie game and move away from average countertop blenders, you might want to check out the Ninja Professional blender. With its 1000 watt motor, the Ninja BL610 can tackle just about anything you throw at it. Whether you're crushing ice for frozen margaritas or blending up a green smoothie, this blender's got you covered. The total crushing technology makes quick work of tough ingredients, turning them into smooth, creamy concoctions in no time. You'll love the generous 72-ounce pitcher as well. It's perfect for whipping up big batches of smoothies or frozen drinks for your next party. Plus, the sleek black design looks great on any countertop if you ask me. The Ninja BL610's blades are designed to create a vortex, pulling ingredients down for more consistent blending. This means no more chunks of unblended fruit or ice in your drinks. And with its easy-to-use controls, you can switch between different speeds to get the perfect texture every time. Cleanup is a breeze too. The pitcher, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. You'll be amazed at how quickly this blender pulverizes ingredients. The total crushing technology uses specially designed blades to break down whole fruits, vegetables, and ice in seconds. Frozen margaritas, anyone? This feature ensures smooth, chunk-free blends every time. The 72-ounce pitcher lets you whip up big batches of smoothies or frozen drinks for the whole crew. You can blend up to 64 ounces of liquid at once, perfect for family-sized portions or meal prepping for the week ahead. And if you're stuck in a smoothie rut, the Ninja BL610 comes with a recipe guide to spark your culinary creativity. Try new combinations and expand your blending repertoire beyond the basics. From healthy green smoothies to indulgent frozen desserts, you'll find plenty of ideas to keep things interesting. Now, here are the pros and cons. Crushing power. The total crushing technology makes short work of ice, turning it into snow-like consistency in seconds. Large capacity. With a 72-ounce pitcher, you can whip up big batches of smoothies or frozen drinks for the whole family. Versatile. It's great for more than just smoothies. Try making sauces, dips, or even grinding nuts. Easy cleaning. The pitcher is dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Recipe inspiration. It comes with a guide to spark your culinary creativity. Noise level. Like many high-powered blenders, it can be quite loud when in use. Size. The large pitcher might be tough to store in smaller kitchens. Learning curve. You might need to experiment with blending times to get the perfect consistency. Judging from the overwhelmingly positive Ninja Professional 1000 watt blender reviews, it's clear people love this machine. Many praise how quickly and easily it blends smoothies, even tackling tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruit in seconds. The powerful 1000 watt motor seems to impress, making quick work of just about anything you throw at it. Lots of reviewers mention how simple it is to clean, which is always a plus for busy kitchens. The large 72-ounce pitcher gets thumbs up for handling family-sized batches. A few folks note it can be a bit loud, but that's pretty typical for high-powered blenders. Overall, users seem thrilled with the performance, especially considering the reasonable price point compared to some pricier competitors. When you first lay eyes on this Ninja blender, you'll notice its sleek black design that'll look great on any kitchen counter. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for whipping up big batches of smoothies or frozen drinks for the whole family. You'll love how easy it is to use with simple push-button controls and 4 speed settings. The total crushing technology makes quick work of ice and frozen fruit, turning them into smooth concoctions in seconds. The 1000 watt motor packs a punch, but the blender remains lightweight and easy to move around. With its user-friendly design and powerful performance, you'll find yourself reaching for this blender daily. Ever wished you could crush ice like a pro? The Ninja blender's 1000 watt motor and total crushing technology make it a breeze. You'll be whipping up smoothies, frozen drinks, and even crushing ice into snow in seconds. No more struggling with tough ingredients. This powerhouse can handle whole fruits and veggies with ease. With 4 speed settings, you have plenty of control for different recipes. The stainless steel blades make quick work of even the toughest foods. Whether you're making smoothies, sauces, or crushing ice, this versatile blender delivers consistent results every time. In my Ninja BL610 review, you've seen how the Ninja blender packs a punch with its 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology. This kitchen powerhouse makes quick work of ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients for your smoothies and shakes. While it's certainly not the quietest blender out there, the performance more than makes up for it. If you're looking for a versatile, high-powered blender that won't break the bank, the Ninja is hard to beat. To